the TikTok Creativity Program Beta worth it? Week 3. The other 2 videos that I did covering this topic will be linked below, and I'm going to try to make this one short and sweet since those ones have so many details and it's week 3. To start it off strong, yes, the TikTok Creativity Program Beta is worth it, at least to me, when my videos are 1 minute to 3 minutes long anyways. Now, if all of my content was like 15-second dance videos, it would not be worth it at all. So far, I've made about $1,700 during my first 3 weeks in the program, and honestly, that's not bad considering that none of my videos that I made before joining the TikTok Creativity Program Beta count towards those funds. So that's based off of like 26 videos. And I was trying to do 10 a day, but on average, I range from 3 to 4 per day. And will I actually get paid? Yes, according to this, I will get paid about $1,500 on June 15th. Now, I know that this program has existed since February of 2023, but February of 2023 is when I made this TikTok account. So I don't know exactly how it works and resets at the end of each month because as you can see, it hasn't been updated since June 1st and it's June 5th and my videos are still getting like thousands to 10,000s of views, so I don't know when that'll update. If you guys know and have been in it longer than I have, let me know below. 3 main tips are try to make your hooks as sticky as possible, like grab their attention in the first 5 seconds, because as long as they watch the first 5 seconds, like that's what counts, at least initially, so that way your video qualifies. Because 1,000 people have to watch it for at least 5 seconds before the video can even qualify in the TikTok Creativity Program Beta. Step number 2, be patient. I did not have any of my viral videos blow up within the first 24 hours. If anything, they blew up like 2 days to a week later, some even a month later. Like this video, we talked about it in the last video because although it got like 500,000 views, I was paid maybe $30 for it. And I posted this video a while ago. I don't think it was this month. I think it was like 2 months ago. And it randomly like spiked again, got a whole bunch of views, and now I think it's paid like over $100. And I've had so many people tell me who have like millions of followers that like if your video does not go viral within like the first 15 to 24 hours that it just won't. And the TikTok algorithm changes constantly, so that very well could have been the case before, but in my personal experience, it is not like that at all. Like even this video was stuck at 2,000 views for about a month and then randomly like shot up to like 500,000. The other helpful tip that someone commented in the last video, tip number 3, is that you can repost your old content as long as you make a few edits to it, which I did that and TikTok did not flag it as unoriginal content, so it works. Thank you for the tip. And tip number 4, do not be afraid to make your videos long. Honestly, I think a lot of people with TikTok are starting to get tired of the constant scroll and actually want to be able to listen to something for like a substantial period of time. Because I know that when I'm doing my hair or something, like it's annoying because if I have my phone on a TikTok video, it'll just keep replaying the same 15 seconds like 10 times. So I'll just like go and switch over to YouTube to watch something or listen to something a little more long form. And the other reason I'm saying that is because it's not even like my 1-minute videos that are doing well, it's like my 3+ minute videos. And obviously all of this is from personal experience, so take it with a grain of salt. I hope it's helpful. I hope these videos are helpful. I hope you guys are getting the transparency because that is my entire goal, is to keep it transparent, give you guys the screenshots, the receipts, all of that stuff.